In a globalized society where everybody can reach any place in the world and have access to any product available, people are constantly overwhelmed with options. It's becoming a real challenge to communicate, to stand out, to catch people's decreasing attention, and more destinations and companies reinvent themselves to meet their customers' needs. If you're the manager of a destination, if you work in a tourism board, or if you're interested in branding or marketing, this blog post might be for you. Many people working in the sector are actually struggling with understanding the difference between marketing and branding. So here's where we start. Branding has a bigger scope than marketing. It's oriented more towards who you are as a destination, about your competitive identity, your unique selling proposition. To brand a destination must be a strategic choice. Therefore, the first question you need to ask yourself is why you're doing it. What is that you want to achieve? Bring in more investors, create better job opportunities for the community. What is your bigger scope? This question will define your overall strategy and gives you an idea of the wider role that branding can play. Marketing is more related to the execution of your branding strategy, how you can communicate your brand to customers, what channels and messaging to use. Before you start any marketing effort, you need to have a strong branding strategy. This strategy, though, is not just about good and catchy communication, but deeply related to placemaking, development, management, policy, and innovation of a place. All these actions that aim to build, regain, or maintain the competitiveness of the place. This is what ambitious places do, and if you work in place branding, this is what you should aim for. Optimizing your relevance through your competitive identity, your strongest assets, but also build this and reinforce constantly with management and stakeholder synergies. This was the article, What is Place Branding and Why You Should Brand Your Destination, and we hope you enjoyed.